guys, this is Lida from Hypnotech. Google just sent us the brand new Pixel 4 XL. I'm super excited to open it up. Let's unbox it. So this year's Pixel 4 came to us only a day after the unveiling event. We are greeted with a welcoming note with our names on it. Yay! We are somebodies. Flipping the lid up, we find a brown box holding the Pixel 4 XL with the tagline, "Making Help Magical." I don't believe this is the retail box you'll get from store shelves, but I totally love the colorful design of this unboxing experience. P4, let's dig in. It looks like Google sent us oh so orange, and oh is it so different. What a beautiful design. We, of course, have paperwork and the SIM remover tool, a USB-C to C cable, meaning we also have a Type-C brick. It looks like we also have another box which appears to be a Google phone case. These are always awesome, and we've traditionally loved their cloth design, so I'm sure we'll like this one too. Okay, main course time. Wow, this is so different for sure compared to previous Pixels. The textures on this phone feel so different than what I'm used to on my Pixel 3 XL, but I like it. Like the previous gens, the 4 XL has an aluminum frame, but instead of it being glossy like last year's phone, it's coated with a matte finish. I like the grip here a lot. Google kept the two-toned power button design, and this year some of the layout has changed, including stereo bottom-firing speakers and the SIM tray relocating to the left side. New to the 4 XL is this square camera hump that replaced the single sensor of the previous Pixels, as well as no more notch. Just a big bezel housing a bunch of tech. While this boots up, here are the specs for the 4 XL. It uses the Snapdragon 855 on Android 10. Our model has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Only a 3700 mAh battery though, which we'll have to talk more about in our full review. Processor specs aren't the only thing that got a bump. This year, I'm super excited that the Pixel 4 XL now has a 90 Hz refresh rate display. That means this thing should be buttery smooth like the OnePlus 7T. It's a quad HD POLED display that is 6.3 inches. This should end up being great. I can't wait to use it every day to test it out. Another change is the omission of the fingerprint scanner in favor of Face Unlock. It's super fast, but we're going to have to dig into it in our review about reliability from everyday use. Continuing with goodies, next to that front camera sensor, we now have this brand new Motion Sense feature, which has cameras detecting motion to control the Pixel. This isn't completely unheard of, but Google thinks this could be the future of smartphones. So far, we've only played around with Pikachu and swiped away and rewound tracks on Spotify, but I wonder how I'll feel about this by the time my full review hits. Google Assistant has also received a terrific aesthetic overhaul. It's always been able to have a continuous conversation, but now it's even more incorporated to your phone experience than ever before. A pixel bar glows on the bottom of your display when you and your assistant are talking. This is the same color scheme of the old Chromebook Pixel, which we totally loved. I wish this was an actual LED on the phone. And now, of course, most of you buying this phone will be for the camera hype. This year, Google has added a 16 megapixel telephoto lens to join a 12 megapixel wide lens. After insisting that one lens is all you need, it'll be fun to test out what these dual lenses can do. After all, the Pixel 3 had what we said was the best camera with just one lens. Now they joined the multiple camera fray, just how good can it get? In Google, we trust. And there you have it, our first look at the Google Pixel 4 XL. Be sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more content coming your way and a full review coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm Lida from Sibnotech, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! And that's it. Be sure to subscribe here, hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos, and check out our other videos right here. Until next time,